Everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media video of the 100 Day Project. Today we're going to be working with another image transfer on the gel plate. Got this image today. So I've been playing around with it a little bit, and I think I have a better idea. We can add color and make it really pop. So let's get started. I got some new black paint, Mars Black from Liquitex. And this seems to give me a really good print, so let's roll some of that out. I also found my bigger brayer, which is amazing. So I think for this one, I'm just going to just roll out. I maybe don't want it all the way across. I'm not sure. I will do it all the way across. But I'm not going to concentrate. I'm going to concentrate mostly on the middle. And here you can hear that lovely crispy sound, meaning we're almost ready. Put the piece down. We want it to be wet but not shiny, if that makes sense. You can see how this is kind of a matte look to it. Okay, let's put this down. I'm gonna leave it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. Ta-da! Okay. I might go in with a little bit of paper towel and kind of scrape away some of these areas a little bit to give some more white. Just to give it a little, like I really don't want to, I want to touch up her face, but I know that's probably gonna, let's just give it a little, yeah. I definitely want some distinct areas of where the paper's gonna shine through. And this dries really fast, so you gotta work kind of quick. I kind of want it to be all grungy. So I'm gonna get out my hairdryer and dry this off really quickly. And then we'll do some fun stuff. So I'm gonna start off with a little bit of the Nico Azo Gold. My plate's really dirty, but I was thinking that it might be kind of fun to just add in some layers of this color. Now, the Nico will go on pretty well, the liquid acrylic, over top of what we've already got down there, but you can see if there are places where, like down here, it beads up a little bit. So I want to see if adding a layer of the medium will allow that acrylic ink to be able to put over it. We might even try some watercolor maybe. Just a thin layer here on the plate. Okay, let's let that dry. It's important that when you dry it with a hairdryer that you're using a cool setting and not heat setting. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, there you go. And you can kind of see that it's setting up nicely on these layers. So that's a cool thing to know. And again, I don't want to get too much because you know me, I'm gonna over. And I'm not sure how much of this you'll be able to see. That's the other thing. Let's add in a bit more Nico. I kind of just want to achieve like some subtle color, if that's possible. Again, we're just playing We're trying to push and see what we can do with. I really want that to be push and pull and see what we can get. Now, the other thing to think about too is that this is our third layer. So we got the print layer, we have the gel medium layer, and now we have this layer. I'm trying to only work with translucent paints here and ink, which is why I wanted to use these acrylic inks, but I could use transparent paint. Okay, we're all dry. Let's flip it over. These are from the plastic on the back. Let me take that off. Let's take that plastic off. So this is what we got so far. And then it'll be white on the back. So that's kind of what it's going to look like. We're going to put down some white and just pull this, because I don't think adding any more is going to do much of anything because it's so dark. But this should be very cool. I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out. And this is the golden open acrylic that I'm using here. Okay, let's put down a piece of paper. Did you guys notice I cleaned off my desk again? It's all pretty and white. Let's give it a little brayer. Or bare, I'm sorry, not brayer. Make sure we get good contact. Okay, we're gonna let this dry for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and see what we got. Okay, let's see what we've got. We've got right away, I see that I ripped the paper a little bit, but that's okay. That's gonna happen. Okay, this one, she really stands out a little bit. I'm trying to decide if I want to do some more to it. Let me think about it. Let's see what happens when we add some black, more black. This is the carbon black from Golden. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is making it worse or better. Maybe. I mean, I don't hate it. I might just be making a bigger mess than. But it's all about play, right? We're just playing. We're just trying to figure this out. I think that my initial thoughts on cutting her out, cutting out the shape. Although, now it just kind of feels like she's put on there. I'm not sure I like. Yeah, she looks just stuck on almost. I don't like this part down here though. I want to say it needs white, but I don't know that that's gonna help out my this here at all. Okay. Okay, I've come in with some white crayon here on the Caran d'Ache Neocolor ones. I'm just kind of adding some marks in that way. So I feel like it's kind of getting there. Does it need black through here though? Maybe that's the problem. Maybe it needs some... Do I have a black Caran d'Ache? I do have a black Caran d'Ache. Before we get all crazy here. I don't like that so much. I'm kind of liking this white though. I mean, this is just obviously play. This is just fun, fun, fun. So this was yesterday's attempt. And that's today's. I feel like we made some progress lightening it up. But... So I think the next step is to cut this out. And then print this on a transparency. And then print this on the back. And maybe use some watercolor. And then print her over top. Okay. So that's where I'm at. Here it is with the matte. You can kind of see what that does to it. It's not horrible. I just feel like I think it needs to be lighter. It needs to be something different. Okay. Well, that's all I got today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope that you got some value out of this. And I will see you tomorrow for the next day in the project. Day 33, I do believe. Thanks so much. Have a nice day. Bye.